In this video, we will show you how to replace your blower motor resistor on this Ford Flex. This will be located under the passenger side dash. Okay friends, let's get started. To gain access to this, we're going to remove some trim panels that come along the passenger side door. To remove these, we'll use a plastic trim tool so we don't damage anything. We'll have a look down along the bottom. You can tell that you have several push clips that make their way across. Just give the area of the body a quick inspection. We can set this aside and move along to our kick panel. For the kick panel, we'll just take hold of this and give it a little tug. Remove that and you'll find several push clips as well. Now let's continue underneath the glove box. We're going to remove the plastic trim panel that makes its way underneath the passenger side dash. To remove this, you're going to find that you have two push clips coming across the front. Use a trim tool and remove each of them. Give them a quick inspection. We will be reusing these. Now we can take hold of this and start pulling it out of here. As we do so, we want to pay attention to the driver's side aspect of it because it does go behind this area. Now with that out of the way, let's make our way underneath the dash. This large area right here is the blower motor. We'll follow the wiring along the driver's side of that blower motor, and you're going to find the wire connector for the resistor. On that resistor, there's a small tab that you can press in on, either using your finger or a small screwdriver. We'll just press this in and pull this out of place. Once you have it disconnected, just take a quick peek. We're looking for corrosion. If you see some, you need to take care of it. Now on each side of the blower motor resistor, you're going to find that you have an 8mm headed screw holding it in place. Remove the pair. Now we can remove the resistor. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new blower motor resistor. As we're putting this in place, make sure you have your connector area facing towards the rear of the vehicle. Let's get this in position. Now, once you feel as though you have it in the proper position, go ahead and start in each of your two mounting bolts. Now, once I have both of them started in there, I'm just gonna make sure they're nice and snug. Keep in mind, you are only screwing into plastic. You don't want to strip it. Double check to make sure it's completely secured and reconnect your electrical connector. Have the locking tab facing down, press it in, listen for a click, and give that a tug. Let's put in our lower trim panel. We'll slide it in along the driver's side. Once you feel as though you have it in the proper positioning, continue on to your two push clips. Now we can put in our kick panel. You want to make sure that you pay attention to those locking tabs. Align them with the body holes, and we'll slide this into position. While we do so, we also want to pay attention to the seal. That needs to be on the outside of the panel. Let's get these aligned. I'm paying attention to the seal. I don't want to get that stuck in there, so I'm just going to use my trim tool and carefully try to pull that out of place. Now we can move along to the door jamb trim piece. Along the bottom, you do have those three locking tabs. Pay attention to the body of the vehicle. We'll align this and press it down into the proper position. Double check to make sure everything's secure. Now, once you've completed that, go ahead and put the key in the on position. Test your blower motor on all speeds. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.